Good day, everybody. Welcome once again to Flicker Brains. All right, today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 accounts I'm working on plus my personal account I normally show on this channel. I'll be showing you guys today being 21st, so I received payments. Okay, so let's log into the dashboard, and on the screen you can see this is our live AdSense dashboard. Here you can see what we have made so far on this account. You can see this month. This month we are aiming to load roughly $50,000 on this account. Can see there's even a new update. There's a new update out now. You can see that even today being 21st, we are still working massively on this account. You can see it without no fear, nothing. Everything is moving smoothly. You can see last payment. You can see we received payment $30-something thousand. You can see it here. We received payment here. You can see everything. You can see the metrics, how everything is going. I'm still going to show you guys other accounts. I'll show you guys other accounts that has also received payments being today. Let me show you guys. Let me log into this so you can see for yourself. Okay, so you can see here, you can see this dashboard. You can see $15,000 last payment. We received the payment today. You can see it here. Even this month, you can see what we have done. Let me show you guys the payments. You see the payment info. So this method is outstanding. It's outstanding. You don't need to have any fear. It's working effectively. You can see for yourself here. You can see it here. You can see today being 21st. You can see what we have made. You can see it here. I've received payments on this account. You understand? So there's still one more account I'm going to show you guys. I have many accounts, but today I'm just going to show you guys 3 accounts so you guys will know how effective this method is. You can see that we're receiving payments. So let me show you one more account. Let me go back. I'll show you guys one more account so you can just look at the metrics. You can see everything. You can see the CPC. You can see the number of clicks. You can see the number of clicks here. You can see the impression. See, this loading method is very effective. It's very effective. You can see everything is going smoothly fine. I'll show you guys one more account too. One more account that has also received payments from this particular loading method. This method we're using. You can see this one more account. You can see what we have done on this account. So I started this account last week. I started working on this particular account here last week. Someone brought it up for partnership. I've still started for the month last week. You can see last month. You can see what we also did. See today so far what we have done. So this method is very effective. It's very effective. If you have a strong account for partnership that can receive huge amount of money, you understand, you also bring it, we work together, load the money, you share revenue too, you understand. So it's a very effective method that you don't even need to have worries about ad limit or suspension or ban. You will not face ban while using this method. Let me go back to my main account. So if you want to learn this method, down on the description box you're going to see our contact info there. You can see a contact link in the description box below if you want to get more information about this. Okay, safe loading everybody out there.